Hello everybody, it's module 3. Hi everybody, welcome back. This is module 3 where we actually strip out the stretcher frame from the primary frame, take a look at what's lurking behind. We'll take a look at these seams and folds and see if they're still in good condition and assess what there is to do. Hopefully we'll start to strip some varnish off, okay? The inner frame is fixed in by these funny little nails like that, little copper nails, and they actually prise out. Watch your fingers on them because they've got a nasty spike. Prise out and bend out your way quite easily, and by the time you've been round them all, hopefully it'll come liberated. Okay, there we have it. So there's our painting, absolutely beautiful. Edges aren't brilliant, but I think we can live with them. I think we can live with them. They're not too bad. I've seen a lot worse than that. Okay. One thing to try and remember is to put the picture back into the primary frame in the same way it came out. I noticed that the subframe here, or the stretcher frame as you might call it, has a letter A on it, but there is no such letter on the big frame. So I'm only suggesting that perhaps it has been removed, that frame, at some point. So I've actually put a sticker on with the letter A on it, so I know which way round it goes. Okay? Brilliant. Okay. Now, in order for there to be some structure to our cleaning programme, what we need to do is draw a grid. Maybe 2 inches square, something like that. Lots and lots of squares. And that holds a discipline. It makes sure that we don't miss any part and over-clean others. Okay? The squares haven't got to be exact. The idea is that it's a focus. Okay? And what we'll do is this sort of effect. It's a focus, so we don't miss anything and we don't over clean anything. Okay. Right, so there we have it. Interestingly, always protect, by demarking, always protect your signature. The last thing you want to do, which I have done there, I've just put it in a little circle there. The last thing you want to do is, it is in there, I promise, is actually wipe the signature out without, you know, before you're concentrating properly or something. And all the damage like that I've marked so they can have careful consideration when I'm going round them. Okay, right, so we've prepared our art for cleaning. Okay, we've checked it all over, we've put all the grid marks over it. We're going to need acetone, white spirit, okay, 3 containers, 1 for white spirit, 1 for acetone and 1 for a mixture of the two. We're going to need rubber gloves and plenty of them. Cotton balls or cotton wool balls, a measure, a simple caterer's type measure, and a note pad and pen, and then we should be ready to start cleaning. Okay, so I look forward to seeing you in module 4. Thanks for watching.